There's a side hustle hiding in plain sight that almost nobody's talking about. And I don't mean hiding like it's complicated or hard to find. I mean hiding like it's sitting there right on your phone and nobody's connected the dots on how to make money from it. Think about how many times you've opened up Google Maps on your phone today to find a place, to get directions, to check if something's open. It's just part of how you move through the day. But what most people never stop to think about is what they're actually looking at when they open that app. It's a live directory of every active local business in the country. Verified, contactable, all of it sitting right there publicly for free. And a vast majority of those businesses have a problem right now that's quietly costing them money every single week. One they'll pay recurring monthly income to solve, and one that almost nobody in this space has figured out how to sell properly yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Maps to find the right businesses, what to offer them, how to reach out, and how to close them as paying clients, even if you've never done anything like this before and are starting from complete zero. And look, I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have some $997 course or how to get mastermind. All I ask is this: if you get value from this video today, just smash that like button, share this video with a friend who might find it valuable. And if you want to get started with this, just drop a comment down below and I'll shoot you over a private link to everything. Free step-by-step course, all the templates, scripts, snapshots, and even an extended 30-day free trial. It's the exact same AI-powered software we're using to make all this happen. 100% for free. So let's get into it. All right, so what we're doing here is simple. We're finding small local businesses, and no, we're not running Facebook ads or doing anything like that. This is something completely different. We're looking for small local business owners. We're talking about your hairstylist, your electrician, your plumber, any small local business that depends on new clients to survive. And what we do is set them up with a very straightforward software solution. We charge $300 to $500 per month per client, not $1,500 or $2,000 like most agency gurus will tell you, because small local businesses simply can't afford that price point. And even if you do get them to buy or sign up, they're most likely going to cancel 2 months down the road. And that forces you to constantly chase new clients just to stay afloat. But this model at the $300 to $500 a month price point, that's something they can actually afford. And because you're actually affecting the bottom line of their business, they're going to keep paying you every single month. So now let me show you how to use Google Maps to find the right clients and what services you're going to offer them. So let's head over to Google Maps. And for this example, I picked plumbers in San Diego. You're going to scroll down and click more businesses. Because did you know that 62% of incoming calls to small local businesses go unanswered? So what happens if somebody has an issue with their plumbing and they call a business, they don't answer? They're going to call the next business and the next business until they get somebody to pick up and solve their problem. So all the hard work that, let's say, Anderson Plumbing put into their business goes to waste because they didn't answer the phone that went to voicemail. And if they call back 20 minutes later, that person probably already booked an appointment with the second or third business that they called. So they're paying all these fees to be up here, but these potential customers are going to waste. So what's the solution? The way that we're going to solve this is by setting them up with two services. First one's auto missed call text back, and then the next one is conversation AI. So imagine you call Anderson Plumbing here and they don't pick up. Before you can call the next plumber, you immediately get a text saying, "Hey, this is Anderson Plumbing. Sorry I missed your call. I'm currently helping another customer. How can I help you?" Think about how powerful that is. This just went from a lost opportunity where they didn't pick up to an engaged lead. But what about when that person responds, right? Remember, John the plumber's under the sink. He's dirty, he's busy. He can't stop working to have a 10-minute text conversation about pricing and availability. And if he takes 3 hours to reply to that text, that lead goes cold again and we're back to square one. So what we're gonna do is set him up with conversation AI. So when that customer responds to the auto missed call text back message, we're then gonna have AI take over that conversation and answer any questions that customer might have, as well as getting them booked on the calendar. And if you're wondering, do they really miss that many calls? The answer is yes. A lot of these contractors, plumbers, and local businesses don't have full-time staff just answering calls and handling everything that comes in. So instead of hiring a human receptionist for $3,000 a month, he can pay you a few $100s to solve this problem even more efficiently. Now, before I show you exactly how this is set up inside of the software, I want to show you how to sell this. Because when we sit down with a client, we need to make it as plain as day how much money they're leaving on the table. So this is the missed call text back calculator. And here's what we say when we sit down with the client. You're going to ask the client, "Hey, John, what's your average job cost?" Now, Google says the average plumbing job is anywhere between $5,000 to $4,000, but we're going to be conservative and go with $1,000 for this example. And the next question you're going to ask him is, how many calls do you miss on an average week? Let's say John misses 20 calls per week. And then we ask, "Hey, John, what's your average close rate out of all those people you talk to? How many of those people are actually turning into a deal?" And they might say something like 30%. So you're going to punch that into the calculator, 20 missed calls per week, 30% close rate. And keep in mind, you're not guessing at these numbers. You're literally sitting down with the plumber and asking them, "What's your average deal worth? How many calls you miss on average per week? What's your close rate? On average, out of how many people you speak with, how many of those people actually turn into a customer?" They give you the numbers and you just plug them in. Then we hit calculate ROI, and then look at this. They're leaving almost $5,703 per month on the table. That's like 68 grand a year just from missed calls. So when you show them this, it's not even a hard sell. It just makes sense. They know they're missing calls. They know some of those missed calls are clients. And now they can connect with them and not lose those clients for less than $300 a month. Now, once we've shown them that, when we get them on board, let me show you exactly how to build inside the system. It takes only 5 minutes to set up. All right, so I'm gonna pull up the software here, and you're gonna have the client log into their Gmail, and this integrates their business into the system. Now, everything gets pushed over, and what you're gonna do is then head over to the Google Business Profile settings, go to the phone number, click the voice and missed call text back. Now, we're gonna click Enable Missed Call Text Back right here. And we're gonna customize the message here, and that's it. That's complete. It's set up. Now, from now on, every missed call triggers a text message, keeping them engaged with potential customers. And then we're gonna connect this to Conversation AI to answer any questions the customers might have and even book appointments. This will not only handle a conversation over text message when they miss a call and a customer texts back, but on top of that, it'll respond to all of their incoming text communication. Because realistically, they're also getting messages on Facebook, Instagram, their website, email. So instead of hiring someone to manage all that, and think about what that takes. You gotta find somebody reliable. You gotta train them. You gotta pay them hourly. And if they don't do a great job, you gotta replace them and do the whole thing all over again. But now we just train AI to do all that. And it's gonna handle every single incoming message for a fraction of the cost. So we're gonna click on Conversation AI and we tell it we want this to handle incoming texts, Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, the chat widget on their website. And now once that's set, we turn it on autopilot and we're gonna click save and it's live. Okay, so now you might be wondering, how does this bot know their services, their hours, their pricing to be able to answer these questions and have these conversations? And it's pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go head over here to bot training and we're gonna go to the bot training tab and paste in the website URL and click Get Data. Now the software scans the entire site and starts learning what services they offer, their pricing, when they're open, how their appointments work, basically everything it needs to sound like a legit assistant. So now the bot's ready. Let's test it. Let's ask, what services do you offer? And the bot replies, we offer residential plumbing, heating, drain cleaning, and air conditioning services in San Diego County. Perfect. If he gets the answer right, you give it a thumbs up. If not, it's a thumbs down. So just from pasting the website URL, the AI knows what the business does and how to help it. And now here's where it gets awesome. You can turn on appointment booking in here. So you can go over here to bot goals and then turn on appointment booking. So you can just connect their calendar and the bot will ask a few qualifying questions and then send the customer straight to book a time. Now, training a person could take weeks. Training this AI takes minutes. You paste the website, load up a few FAQs, make sure the answers are solid, and from there, the bot just runs, continually adding value to that business. So if this resonated with you, here's what to do next. Smash that like button, share this video with a friend, and comment down below, and I'll shoot you over a private link to everything. Free step-by-step course, all the templates, the scripts, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the exact AI software we're using 100% for free. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.